Welcome to the PowerPoint Magic course, from beginner to making motion graphics. Everything you see in the rest of this video designed just with PowerPoint software, and soon updates will be added to the course. Hello, my name is Masume Molzem Shariflu. I'm illustrator and graphic design software expert, and at present I have more than 10 years of experience in this field, and by the end of the course I want to change your imagination about PowerPoint software. Examples you saw at the beginning of the video, I designed it from 0 to 100 in PowerPoint software. Do you know the advantages of producing content with PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a simple but extremely powerful software that unfortunately we are not aware of many of its features. And we just think that we have to put some photos and videos and a lot of text in PowerPoint slides for our presentation. And then we have a boring presentation as a result. But if we complete our mastery of PowerPoint software, we can create and design a lot of creative contents with it. I have designed a lot of motion graphics with PowerPoint without having a computer, with powerful hardware. With complete mastery of PowerPoint software, kill two birds with one stone, because you can also create creative content with PowerPoint and easily get output from your design or edit it very fast and simple, and also design your presentation slides very attractively. And also, with this skill, you can get order and earn money too. In this training course, I first taught PowerPoint software completely, and then I continued to learn the advanced tricks of working with the software and making motion graphics with PowerPoint. For more information, you can read the course description, and you can also see free previews to get acquainted with how I express and teach. I hope I can be your host in this course, and we can see interesting trainings together. Thank you for accompanying me.